Welcome to our channel. If you received a new virtual card in the mail and need to activate it, follow this quick guide to get your card ready for online and mobile purchases. Step 1. Open the envelope containing your new virtual card and carefully remove all the contents. Look for the activation instructions, which are usually printed on a separate insert or on the card carrier itself. Step 2. Locate the activation website, URL, or phone number provided in your welcome materials. Virtual cards typically require online activation through the issuer's website or mobile app. Step 3. Visit the activation website using a computer or mobile device. Look for a button or link that says Activate Card, Register Your Card, or similar wording on the homepage. Step 4. Enter your card details as requested, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV security code. These details are printed on the documentation you received with your virtual card. Step 5. Provide your personal information for verification, such as your name, email address, date of birth, billing address, and the last 4 digits of your social security number as required by the card issuer. Step 6. Create login credentials for your online account by choosing a username and password. Make sure to select a strong password and store it securely for future access. Step 7. Set up any additional security features offered, such as two-factor authentication, transaction alerts, or spending limits. These features help protect your virtual card from unauthorized use. Step 8. Review the terms and conditions, then submit your activation request. Once confirmed, your virtual card is active and ready for use. Add it to your digital wallet or use the card details for online shopping immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.